friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we discuss about how to convert PPT file into PDF file. Now let's start the topic. The very first step is click on File, then click on New and create a new PPT file. For example, TechCat1. Then I copy and paste the files. Give a unique name to the files, so can we differentiate between them. 3, 10, 4. And next one is TechCat5. The next step is take a design. For example, you can choose any of them. There are multiple designs. I choose this one. Then save the file. Go to File. Click on Save As. Then give a unique name to the file. My PDF file. Here is the option Save As Type. Click on that cursor. Choose here from multiple options PDF. Then click on Save. I will show you. Here is the PDF file. Click on that. Open with Adobe Reader. You can see my PDF file is created. You can see TechCat1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So friends, I hope you learned a lot of things from this video. If you like this video, then share this video and subscribe my channel TechCat. Thank you.